Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Twitch on PC and laptop. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I would like for you to know that there is no standalone app or software for Twitch that you can use on your PC or laptop. Okay, but there's a workaround. When you go ahead and go to twitch.tv, okay, from your web browser, just go ahead and go to the top, click on the three dots if you're using Google Chrome, or the three horizontal lines if you're using a different browser. So in here, just go ahead over to save and share, okay? Hover your mouse onto save and share. Now go ahead and find install page as app, okay? So click on it and then give it a name. I'm just going to leave it to Twitch and then click on install. Now here we have it. Here we have a simple app. It's not technically an app. It is technically a browser, but it got a shortcut, okay? So once that's done, you can now then go ahead and close the browser right here if you want to and browse through Twitch without any other tabs at the top. Okay, this is solely Twitch right here. All right, that's basically it. That is how you download and install Twitch on PC or laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.